Hello everyone. A quick introduction of this video. We'll be quickly jumping on the questions. Here I am bringing you the questions of 2020 paper which have come in basic exam. So basically you can consider them as the extra questions for basic mathematics. The PDF of this session is provided in the description box of this video. So let's begin. First question you will also be able to see below your screens. So basically your question number 1. It's very simple question. 225 can be expressed as. So basically your 225, it is divisible by 3, 75, and 3, 25, and 5, 5, and 5, 5. So basically your 225 can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5, which is nothing but 3 square into 5 square. So basically your option number C is correct. You might also do it by 225 is the square of 15. So basically it is 15 into 15. 15 is 3 into 5. So which is your 3 square into 5 square. Okay. Now moving ahead on to second question, which is 2.35 bar is what? So you also know 2.35 bar can be expressed as 2.35, 35, 35, 35 and so on. You can see it's non-terminating and repeating. It's non-terminating and repeating. And you also know all the non-terminating and repeating values are basically your rational numbers. So its answer will be rational numbers. Okay. Now moving ahead on to your third question, which we have to find the HCF of question number 3. We have to find HCF of 144 and 198. So for HCF of 144 and 198, let's express them as a product of their prime factors. It is basically a 72, 36, and it's 18, and it's 9, and it's 3, and it's 1. Likewise 198, it is 99, and for 3 it's 33, and 11, and 1. So basically your 144 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And your 198 can be expressed as 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. So if you will take common, it's 2, 3 and 3. So for HCF is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, which is basically your 18. So your right answer is B. Okay. So now moving ahead to next question. It is the question which came in section C. That means for 3 marks. It is given that under root 3 is irrational. It is given to you, and what you have to prove is 5 plus 2 under root 3 to be irrational. So as we do, let's suppose it to be rational, that 5 plus 2 under root 3 be a rational number. If it is rational, it can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are co-prime numbers. Okay. So now transferring all things on the right hand side except under root 3. So 2 under root 3 will be equal to P upon Q minus 5. And under root 3 will be equal to 1 by 2 P upon Q minus 5. 5 come on the right hand side, it is of plus, now of minus. Then 2 was in multiply, coming on the right hand side, it is in divide. Okay, so you can see P upon Q is rational. Rational minus rational is rational. That means this whole number will be rational. Now you know 1 upon 2 is also rational. So rational multiplied by rational is also rational. So from here you can see it is rational. And it is given that under root 3 is irrational. So you do not need to prove it. So it is irrational. And you also know irrational cannot be equal to rational. So what we will write here, therefore our assumption is wrong. Hence 5 plus 2 under root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, choice with it, which is basically you can see below your screens, it is directly NCERT based question, just digits are changed. It is given that an army contingent of 612 members is to march behind an army band of 48 members in a parade. So basically in your NCERT book the digits were 616 and 32. Here it is replaced by 612 and 48. You also know we have to just find out the SCF of it. How? Because it is written that the two groups are to march in the same number of columns. If they have to march in the same number of columns, we have to find their SCF. So basically SCF, we have to find SCF of 612 and 48. So basically your 612 can be expressed as by 2 it will be 306, then by 2 it will be 153, and by 3 it will be 51, and 3 it will be 17, then 17. Now here it will be 24, 12, 6, 3 and 1. So your 612 is expressed as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. Your 48 is expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So for HCF, taking the common terms, it is 2 and 3 and one more 2. Okay, so basically your SCF of 612 and 48 will be 2 into 2 into 3, which is your 12. So its answer will be 12. Okay, so with it, let us end this session. Hope it will be useful for you. I will be bringing more sessions for you. Till that, keep studying.